Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful friends, we're going to be making these really adorable Halloween socks. These embellishments turned out so cute. I thought they were absolutely adorable, and I want to show you guys how I made them. All right, so I have here a few that I already made because I'm going to be making one more with you guys. So here's the socks that we're going to use to create our little Halloween socks. Now, the template that I use for this is actually the template that I use for the Halloween series, which is the Christmas stockings. Same thing. The only thing that I did with my Halloween socks is I did not leave this little edge, like this little extra over here. All I did is I had a template, okay? I trimmed it and I just chopped off the edges, making it kind of like a socks looking embellishment. All right, you can always find these templates online. You can always go and Google it. If you guys watch my Christmas series, you guys would probably already have a template like this because we did a few embellishments using this, which we're going to be doing on for the Christmas series this year. So if you don't have a template like this, then make sure you get one. Simple. If not, just draw yourself a nice little stocking, okay? So here we have the socks that we're going to be using to decorate. So what I did here is very simple. This is such a simple tutorial. I'm using my little cupcake liners. You guys know how much I love my cupcake liners. These are the mini ones. I fold it in half and I'm going to gather it in the center to create an embellishment that looks like this. All right. And we're going to glue this down right in the center of the socks. But before we do that, I added some nice little pretty lace, as you can see there, to the socks. So I have this gorgeous, like really pretty lace that we're going to use for this. I used orange and this like kind of yellowy color. I thought these were really Halloween inspired colors. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this down to the edge of my socks, and that's going to give it like a nice little ruffle. And you don't have to have this specific color. You can actually use regular lace. That's also okay. And FYI, if you want lace with colors, you can always use white lace, and you can always either spray it or ink it if you want. All right, just in case you want like an orange color lace. It's possible to create your own by inking it with orange ink. So there's the little ruffle for my cute little Halloween socks. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, perfect. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue down the embellishment that we just created. We're going to glue this down right in the center of my socks. All right, and then we added a really fun felt bat sticker. So we're going to do that. I have these felt bat stickers. I want to say that I got these a few years ago at Target, but I'm not really sure. But just get any sticker that's related to Halloween. It doesn't have to be a bat. It could be whatever you have. I happen to be using this, but it doesn't have to be. Or it could be ghosts. It could be pumpkins. It could be whatever you have. All right. So I'm going to use one bat, and I'm going to add it to the front of my cupcake liner. I'm going to add just a little tab of hot glue just to make sure that it doesn't fall. And I'm going to just basically glue this down right in the center of my little cupcake liner. All right. Now, I want to add a wood veneer bat that I have here. These I got at the Dollar Tree a few years ago. They come like this. They come with a pumpkin, with a bat, and then with a cute little ghost. So we're using the bat, and I'm not even going to color this. I'm going to use it the way it is. Now, if you want to make some like I don't know, if you want to like color it in, make it look a little bit more prettier, you can always ink it in or paint it if you want. I'm going to use this like natural color because I kind of like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue this right on top of my felt bat. Just like so. I love the way that layering of the bat in the back and the one on the top looks. I love that. See that? It looks so, so pretty. I really love the way that looks. Okay. Now, in this little corner right here, we're going to add these cute little mesh little material. You can always add some, if you don't have mesh, and when I mean mesh, I mean like these kind of mesh that I get at the Dollar Tree. You can always add ribbon, you can always add buttons, you can always add whatever you have at home. You don't have to use these supplies. These are just supplies that I happen to have handy, but whatever you have at home, just use, okay? I have here a very small piece of mesh. What I'm going to do is I'm going to gather this in the center of the mesh, and I'm just going to gather it into, I have one end and the other end together just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around with a little twine here, just so that I can use it as a cute little embellishment to add to the socks. So just make a nice little tight knot, and that's going to keep your little bow together. All right, that's one knot, and I'm going to go and add another one. Okay, I'm going to cut this off, and then we're going to glue this to our little socks. So we're going to add this roughly right in this corner right here of the socks, okay? Hot glue on the back and glue it on the little side of the stockings if that's where you want it. You don't have to put it there, you can put it wherever you want, and you should have something that looks like this. We're going to add a pom-pom. I have here a black pom-pom that I'm going to add right here. With these I use different colors. I use a green one. With this one I used a purple one, and then with this one I used a orange one. All right, so I'm just using different colors. I'm going to use a black one for this one. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to place this right in the center of my little bowl. I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds, and then that should be good. All right, there you go. The last thing we're going to do, this is such a really quick embellishment, by the way. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a really nice little Halloween wording right here, because I feel like it needed something, right? So for this one, I added this beautiful sparkly one right here. And then for this one, I added this beautiful sparkly word right here. So for this one, we're going to add a purple one that I have here already. All right, we're going to use this one. Now, where did I get this from? Again, the Dollar Tree. A few years ago, they sold these stickers. I think I may have seen these stickers out again this year, maybe. But Dollar Tree, all right? That's where I got these stickers from. And you can use any stickers. It doesn't have to be these specific stickers. You can also, if you want, cut out, if you don't have stickers, you can also cut out like little wordings like this from paper, right? Like maybe those little journal cards or paper that comes, that have like these little Halloween wordings. You can always fuzzy cut these out and use them as well. Or you can just create your own. I'm going to add this right in this corner right here. And that, my friends, is how we create this really fun, adorable Halloween socks. I just love it. Look how pretty that looks, guys. Did you see how fast that was to create? literally in less than 10 minutes. I'm super, super excited to show you guys how we're going to use this on our next video, all right? So stay tuned, come back, let's do the part 2 to this, and you're going to love what I have cooking for you. Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, thank you so much for stopping by and for your wonderful comment and support. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.